Ayun guys, Nanababaw Kabalen. Welcome to Pampanga. For today's video, we were invited by Honda Cars Pampanga and Honda Cars Angeles Clark for their grand launching po. All new BRV 2023. This is the event guys, samahan niyo po ako. If you're looking for a new car, consider buying this. It's gonna be amazing. Tara!
We present to you the two variants of the all-new Honda BRV.
Basic information lang tayo guys. So this unit right here is the 2023 all-new BRV 1.5 VX CVT Honda Sensing. So ito yun guys, a price of 1.390 million. And ito po yung pinaka-specs niya. Now the second variant guys is the 2023 all-new BRV 1.5S CVT and the price of 1.150 million. And guys, let's try to get inside kung how does it feels like to be driving the all-new BRV by Honda. Ayan, so that's it. This is what's inside. So what does it feels like? Actually, my take, parang it's a little bit lower, but that's making it more accessible for kids, for elderlies. Hindi masyadong mataas, hindi sila nahihirapan pumanik. In terms of parang control, it's actually compact. Dashboard naman natin, speedometer, our RPM. Meron din siyang touchscreen, LCD monitor, air conditioning buttons. This again is a push button, engine start and stop. In terms of yung space dun sa pinaka foot natin, hindi siya masyadong maluwang, hindi rin siya stiff. And then looking at the back, kumusta kayo dyan? Ayun, no?
Equipped na siya na Honda Sensing features from the premium models natin dati, yung sa Accord, CRV, covering yung mga safety features, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation, adaptive cruise control. Yun dati is nandun lang sa mga premium models natin. Ngayon, in-equip na sa kanya.
This is our test drive. Initially, syempre, bibigyan ako ng orientation ni Ma'am Bien. Yun, ang galing nun, no? So, whenever you are turning right, basta magsi-signal right ka.
Activate yung camera niya. We call it lane watch.
Lane watch. And available lamang yan dun sa VX variant.
Yes, ng BRV. All new BRV.
All new BRV.
Dun sa SCVT, starting yung remote engine start.
Yes, I like that.
Yes.
Gusto ko yun. Yung parang, included ba yun yung air condition? When you start the
Yes, nag-start na siya. That's good for 10 minutes. You can extend to another 10 minutes. Maximum na continuous na naka-open or nag-start yung engine and aircon is 20 minutes.
Fuel consumption, ma'am.
Fuel consumption,
Yes, what can you say about it?
Laging yung mga kiniklaim sa ibang din namin, models available. It always depends sa road condition. Number 2 is load condition. And the third is yung driving habits ng driver. And yung mga naging results ng lahat ng mga driving activities to get the fuel efficiency ng lahat ng vehicle natin, ginagawa siya sa controlled environment.
Okay, okay. And then the result is how much yung natin?
94.71.
So almost 25 kilometers per liter.
Yes.
At a very ideal situation.
Another thing
Yes.
na present sa VX natin is yung Honda Sensing. So that's for the VX only.
Okay.
So we have here the monocular camera.
Ayun. So what it does? Ano po yung pinaka-sense niya?
Pinakaunang gusto ko siya sa kanya is meron siyang cruise control na adaptive. We call it adaptive cruise control. And kung may sasakyan sa harap mo na mas mabagal sa 30, susundan niya.
We are now cruising.
Yes. Hindi ako nakatapak
Yes.
sa accelerator. So, mabang ka na lang sa preno. Kung nawawala ka sa center nung daan, thinking niya is
Swerve.
nagsiswerve ka. Yes. Kung hindi ka nagsisignal, kung nag-change lane ka, may resistance. Makakapag-change lane ka pa rin, pero may resistance.
Parang pinapa-realize niya sa yun na
Yes, gamitin mo yung
nagsusunod.
signal mo. Ito, nag-slow down siya, sir.
Yes.
Siyang mag-isa.
So na-detect niya,
Yes,
yung
even motorcycles
natin.
na-detect
Yes.
niya.
Oh. So, shout out pala dun sa mga crew ng Honda Cars Angeles Clark. So sila po yung tumulong sa atin for this drive test. Okay. Actually lagi kong dinadaanan to pero dahil may kasama akong from Honda Cars medyo kinakabahan ako.
Iba ang feel pag hindi daw sa'yo eh.
Iba yung feel. Iba yung feel pag hindi sa'yo.
Yes.
In terms of price, what do they say about
First
this?
is yung mga target market kasi nito, ng BRV is mostly yung mga cool dads or practical dads.
Okay.
We've mentioned yung fuel efficiency.
Correct.
Everyday drive, you don't have the complaint na matakaw sa gas. Number 2, dahil family car siya. For clients na nag-upgrade, okay lang din siyang first car. Kasi if you are a family member or family man, lumalaki yung family, it means
Correct.
you'll be needing cargo space and space din para
Just
sa mga
like me.
passengers. Yes. Kasi yung mga gamit pa lang ng mga
Yes.
bata, minsan
Correct,
i-consume na niya talaga yung space.